Only very, very important. Nchoroka share with you concerning the Zion market in Ngor-Okpala. Both current and the permanent one that will come when things finally move down. Even right now, there is something I want to tell you about that Zion market in Ngor-Okpala. In case you want to fear as just ordinary market. Ebe ndị mmadụ bịa program ya bịa rie nri ṅụọ golife. Yeah, Esther that Zion, I greet you. Amanda, I greet you. Actually, make something significant about that market so that you understand. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Click on like and love. Amanda, I greet you. Click on like and love and share this video. Come them mad battle back. I will wap you also. Facebook on enyenso. Nti odokwa dalo. Somebody no react go na this video. Meanwhile, I have over 20 people watching here, but only 4 people react go na this video, and only 2 people share go this video. Yeah, please, I am interested in going to Ngor-Okpala. I don't have money to go. Please, someone should support me. Share this video. Ndeka react go to this video do Madone react go to this video. Nde react go to this video now na do go do Mad 11 8 shares. Okay, at least we are getting to somewhere, and we are going to run this program. I'm going to run this program enjoying my shortbread. You gotta go. I'm going to run this program enjoying my shortbread, yeah, and the Fanta. This will be the 2 package. Made you when I water my mouth. You gotta go. When I run this program, share this video. You gotta go. When something so significant you don't know about this Zion market in Ngor-Okpala. You gotta go. I want to share something with you because also whether you like it or not, you must understand the impact of what Evangelist Ebuka Obi has brought down to the southeast. By force, Amanda, she go that special album this night. Is Woromo go this night to post to it. Just stay tuned. You other go. You other go. I want to tell you something about Zion market in Ngor-Okpala that you don't know. Because what people don't understand is that what you are expecting to be seeing there going forward is an international market. It is an international market. Table manners, right? I just want that lecture. Come here again that lecture. What wouldn't even make it about because I need to be enjoying myself while running this program. Or do easy pushing all this. You know that? Because you go help me get a stand where I can sell pastries. Okay. I will make an inquiry for you. So let us go. Now, do you know that this program Anna Ngor-Okpala? Do you know that name will more than 2,000 families, 2,000 people? Let me put it this way: more than 2,000 people. See, from see from diaspora when abia this particular program and Ngor-Okpala. Let me rephrase it again. This program and chime Ngor-Okpala. Are you aware that name over 2,000 people see outside the country when abia Ngor-Okpala na this project? Now, some of them land their Lagos. Usually, for the name Alojiva na around Zion, na Victory Estate, Hosanna Estate, or Peace. Go. Now, how will you can ever a day or 2 days? They will fly down to the east and head to Ngor-Okpala. A major program na Ngor-Okpala. Some of them, a Sikwan Ngor-Okpala, gather to airport, Sikwana airport, fly her back to Lagos. Norokwa around wherever place higher a lodge na Lagos. Before you know it, time of flight higher you when she get back to Ebe has Webia, Erona Hanawa. Now look at something that is going to happen there. A lot of people buji, a lot of people bu plantain, a lot of people bu onubu abakola abako, a lot of people bu egusi abakola abako, a lot of people bu oloko, a lot of people bu azu opo, a lot of people bu ogiri, a lot of people bu sakwala akwo. A lot of people with different food items will have about that. Now look at what is going to happen. All those families you see outside the country may not have the time to go and start shopping in Lagos or to go and start shopping around Owerri Aba. They are going to buy every single thing they need to put in a cargo. When she are back to America, to UK, to Holland, to South Africa, to UAE, to Italy, to Dublin Island, to wherever they are going to buy whatever thing they need around Zion. Sieba package ye we burie na Lagos or ebe flight yes we take it off. This is something you don't know because a lot of people shena na after ya there ba. Yeah, thank you very much, Amanda. The only affair there food market where people will come and buy food and eat, where people will go and buy soft drink or buy drink or buy whatever thing they need. No, the market you are expecting to see in Ngor-Okpala is far much more than that. Oh yeah, doke baloni mo boete. Oh yeah, doke baloni mo yimbo. Oh yeah, doke bal anywhere. Anything initially go, you will find it in Ngor-Okpala. Agbalmono no this program no do trade fair. When you finish now this program na trade fair. Anime program. Ana azwa here. Anime program. Ana azụ ahịa. A na-eme program. Ana azụ ahịa. A na-akpọtụ ndị ime n'igwe. A na-akachi out. Ịghọtago? A na-akpọtụ ndị ime n'igwe. A na-akachi out. So ị nwere ike chekwa na ife a na-eme ife na-agwa gị ụwụ reality. Millions we fire exchange na Ngor-Okpala. And we will be there to cover it live. We will be airing it live so that you will see economy. Economy say you go na school. You will see the physical manifestation of that economies. If you find a principle of demand and supply, you will see it clearly. You will see what is going to happen. Count me as number one person. You will watch it live from everywhere. You watch what is happening around Zion. Then you will tell me, confess now this young man will vision, and this vision can only be made possible through the guidance of the Holy Spirit. Ekwugwenya before. If you case we load truck, G, wheat, plantain, potato, ona, onugbu agbakọ, egusi agbakọ, name them, ogili, ede akwọ, onye ọwụna na package nke ye, ebulu na Kelechi TG said, Abuja workers are moving tomorrow. Abuja workers are moving tomorrow. So what those people will do is that they will simply come there after the program. They are going to buy whatever thing they need, because no one see a lot of these people on Abiashi families, and they, based on Nahabia, Nigeria, they need to stock up their kitchen. Yes. They need to stock up their kitchen. But it was not like that last year. It was only eatable things that they were selling. Shy, I miss this year's own. I will not be happy at all. What last year's own exposed people to is that now last year more people from different countries in diaspora. So now, when people site for business, it can only get better year by year. It can only get better year by year. For example, before the end of 100 days of next year, I am winning a permanent market. Ngor-Okpala. Oya uzinke yawo program na bia. Everybody assemble for the purpose of that business. No. The fact is that after these 100 days, I've gone one woman as you see Ofaku na Lagos. Nesi Ofaku na Lagos. As na that woman bungongwe nile. We barata Ngor-Okpala we kwuo no ya nazi. Na the woman say no ya nazi na emecha 100 days fasting. And believe me, oya dey because now a lot of people are coming to Ngor-Okpala on a daily basis. There are more visitors who are visiting that town. So, inele iganele, inele akwa, iganele, onwehifi inele, iyadele dia. So, nke next year, yado better than nke this year, because na that next year, aye wena permanent shops. Oya was a temporary one. Permanent shops, yado go there. Where people will come and rent and be selling. You have to go there permanently. I win a permanent market for the sake of that Zion. And if I had in at that market, and I am praying that Evangelist Ebuka Obi Odeshia to Ngor-Okpala. And my prayer is that na Odeshia na yemekwe na Ngor-Okpala, because Odeshia and we go accommodation where people will stay. And we get accommodation where people will stay. So, need de mezi all these programs na water people a lot. Need de me na Lagos. Lagos have go too congested for such kind of program. So, I am telling you what you are expecting this year. So, in Abia, they will go into the market, do your shoppings. Ụfọdụ na-eme ha bịa he go call my biscuit in Nigeria, go call my cabin biscuit, you gotta go Milo, ụmụ milk gasị buy a lot of things yeah, like groceries. Ụfọdụ ya eme shopping, cosmetics, onwe ndị like oge anyị nọ Zambia. O nwere a lot of people ọwụ na Nigeria ebe a ka esi egotara ha ude ha na-use. Na Nigeria ebe a ka esi egotara ha ncha ha ji ahụ ahụ. Ịghọtago na Nigeria ebe a ka esi egota ha toothpaste ha ji ata atụ. Ịghọtago. Now what will happen this year is that na the market you have to stock up with a lot of things you need to buy in Nigeria here. Put it direct in our own. You don't need to, because ụfọdụ nwere ike ịbata 2 days to 3 days to now 2 days after now 3 days after, so they may not even have time and chance to go into the market in Lagos or go into the market here or where anybody there go buy egusi. ebia na Zion Grand Market igolu ye. I'm enjoying my shortbread. If I will go one plate of food, 3,000. It cannot in doubt. It cannot in doubt. It can see a Google. Me make it doggy fake. If you will anyaga, it's in a year dear fozo. Me make it doggy if you will anyaga fozo. More ways go you make it doggy if you won't take out with it. Me make it doggy if you won't blog at each. More wallow. Akadifa Banaka. Anyway. It started like a joke. Jokingly. It is manifested. Bring your establishment home. Think home agenda. Look at, for example, look at what is happening. Ebano Afugo Ngor-Okpala in the next 5 years. And I can tell you what to expect in Ngor-Okpala within the next 5 years. University owner Zion Lolo Pakam Ngor-Okpala is a shutdown. And even now, my international student, it will be a shutdown. The kind of logic I had because now, who is who. How a lot of home you see, Obodo Iwo, a way or that Habia J school Ngor-Okpala. Yeah? Habia J school Ngor-Okpala. Waja. And the kind of lodge I had people here that were fast food joint. It happened before 100 days next year. Somebody should go and mark it. Somebody should go and mark it before a 100 days next year. It have a mega station. It have a mega filling station. Is about a filling station? One filling station Ngor-Okpala. It have a Ngor-Okpala next year. And where anyone now? And where anyone now? Ma walu video onafu permanent structures. Ebuna drop before. Yeah. My heart I'm very happy that a lot of people are sure to go their mouth. They want to go. Because when we do vision, mother ya da, when we do idea, mother ya conceive. A lot of people will not know where you are going to until it has manifested. So Zion program. Oh yes, you know, as I wait. No, so I wait when you one problem. One problem. One problem. Carry one so so e got a game ban asuga asumaso iwe got a ban ebunu ya funde kwatolo international market. Ada Clementi, I greet you. I greet you, my sister. Ebunu ya funde kwatolo. Okwe go take fa na ekwu now. Oge a na ekwu ye mbo. Ị na-asị kedu ka o yesi wee wụrụ church ye ka ya ejelo. Achọcha ife ya alụ ka o mepe obodo. O wụrụ church. Kedu ife church nwere ike attract Ngor-Okpala. Ọkwọrị ndị mmadụ bịa kacha ụka ama somebody to ka guru ezi Igbo sịrị ọkwọrọ people bịa abịacha program a na ọgwa ifuru ya ọgwa ifu gị ife ha na-ekwu an establishment that is capable of attracting a market where people from diaspora will go and buy something worth thousands and millions to take for the purpose of export maka ye export wee buje n'obodo ọzọ n'obele oge anyị ebido ime exchange na Ngor-Okpala because ọ bụrụ onye were ego si Ifedoka Island bata ọ daa na Lagos si Lagos daa na Port Harcourt ọ daa na Owerri airport drive bịa na Ngor-Okpala city ebe ọma na ọdụ secured 100% ego igwe o ji wee bata ọ ga-enide ebe ọ ga-eje change eye and agwaghị na ngo some of these people na-abata no 3 weeks 1 month na Nigeria a na-eri ego so kedu ndị ahụ na-asị kedu ka chọọchị ya esi wee mee why ojo gwa m establishment to capable of ime ife Zion ministry na-eme na Ngor-Okpala within a space of even 5 years. Tell me kele establishment dị ebe a sọsọ university na afịa sọsọ university na afịa ka gọọmenti nwere ike ibubata n'obodo omepe obodo mana Zion ministry menwurie Ada Clement, God bless you too. You want to go? I'm watching from Kaduna branch. Daro. Onaka n'isi akụkọ. Ishiri ntị. Nọrọ ebe a ka ibe na-akpa ego. Eburu na ngwa afịa ụgbada. Nke last year. 30 minutes away from Zion ground, etu akwụkwọ gala, akwụkwọ biscuit, bottled water, akwụkwọ ọba. Name them. Ife niile a na-eri etu akwụsị wee lita n'ilo niile. It took over 1 month to 2 months for Ife Lili na Ngor-Okpala all throughout the period Emeru closed down 100 days faster than Ngozo. It took over 1 month for all those leftovers to be cleared from that ground. I was going there. Ohufunye, Muhammad Ebua, Muhammad 30, Muhammad 40, Muhammad 50, close to 100 people who had they clear eba needed. Yet it took them over 1 month to be able to pack out the leftover of Ife Lili there. I made a video now. Do you want me to go and bring that video back? Okay, if only if I millions can sink there, people really go no there. People really go no there. Ndigbo aparaisi 20 bia le polia. Ndigbo apabiso le polia. Ilu eba na da market keta mande na hobole, mande na ele mmanya, mande na ele ofe akwu, mande na ele ifa, mande na ele plantain, mande na ele ji, mande na ele mmanya, mande na ele mmiri, mande na ele cosmetics ifa, mande na ele ọgwụ, mande na ele groceries. Ife niile chọrọ achọ soro ezu ebe a ị ka na-ajụ ajụjụ I'm watching from Alabama. Thank you for your work. Thank you very much. Aguso Biazoga. I don't happy na church Benatala. I know one guy, they gave supply for Ngor-Okpala. He just buy Jeep for Esma. So imagine. If Ozzy Nkegolo Akada na boy ebi ndị mmadụ. Ịma na ngwara go. Onye ọwụ na supply ife osokwa onye awụrụ na supply na Ngor-Okpala. Wewe na eba ha ọgaranya. Mana o nwere ife na-achọ. Imagine obodo do ka Ngor-Okpala with the Ngor-Okpala before Zion. Onye mepe block industry ebe a a local block industry o ye mepe wori feed the family, but because of the supply of blocks o nwetara there, amagodu na before go machine na oye bi ndị mmadụ na high protein purchase na nwoke abalance go dị n'ọfụma na-enwere aṅụrị gbazie ego na nwoke sisi na nyanwa wala na azụ nwa ma si ebe nwoke gwara na nyanwa wala na azụ nwa because of Zion. Nwoke boga because 100,000 blocks enwe for ebe a 200,000 blocks enwe for ebe a ịma na ndị mmadụ amara na ana niile ahụ Zion nwere a na-efesie right round block one ka ihe eji wee gba how many thousand plot hold block one ka ihe eji wee gba nwere ụdị ife eji alụ ọrụ ebe ahụ a na-enweta enough supply here. In case if you don't know, we fit and use a bar and then with enough supply here. Nepanaja before you met a tipa ya baraga. Odoka ya kopo. Before you met a tipa ya baraga. Odoka ya kopo. Going first years ago, you are feeling like you don't have teeth. And even not our short bread though. I have a year to guess that short bread though. In a te by your mania. In a te in such a way that no ya did the so cool man no man apere man bolo man benine. Here it is your time. In a tire, you won't wear your happier or like a need dissolve, need the pussy. They both suppose you did the image as ye, a lashala see you. Here, lasha see you no for more than 30 minutes. Let us short bread. Must Ivan. Must Ivan. Only story now our comment sections now Mazima these days was no more for you now. You gave me a number Nkata ha na akpa awogongoga onye ọrụ na fear n'anya. So samusu at this point nwere ike pụta nka na aka akwụkwọ gụndụ ka ị na-akọ asị na ofu osisi ahụ eme ọfịa mana Zion nwe ofu osisi mere ọfịa. Zion nwe ofu osisi mere ọfịa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi deserve la award. emechisi ọnụ a na-ekwu okwu rụọ factory ka create employment. Evangelist Ebuka Obi wee bawa people ọgaranya eju na odolo ekurike. Let us take this man sitting on a supply blocks, for instance. For that man to be able, Franco Wola be, hey, I don't go to go, but I don't have comment. Ma Franco Wola be as on the page here. Has a page here, me share down, get a machine page here now. Franco Wola be also on the page here. Oh no, that says you go close this page. I chose me that for page here corner broadcast. You will not see this page on air again. Franco Wola be, I greet you, sir. You want to go? Let us use that man sitting on our supply block as an example. For that man to be able to meet up even 50% to demand of blocks expected from Nyanwa alone, because they will other people, 10 people cannot do it alone. 10 people, 20 people, 50 people cannot supply enough blocks needed to work at that site. And that is why every site and corner na that Zion ground will block industry. Every site and corner will block industry. And these are people move to site. And you have space, and you have task. Hana will block and supply. For you to be able to supply or to meet up 50% to the task given to you on that ground, you cannot be working with any number less than 20 people. You cannot be working with any number less than 20 people. So let us agree, or let us take it that because Zion came to Ngor-Okpala and this man got a contract to be part of the people supplying blocks, direct employment to Umwetalo na Zion Nyanwa, without that direct employment which is going to supply blocks to Zion ministry. Or recruit 20 other people because Hana put block locally. Hey, when anything doka block industry. Wow. If Hana put block locally, Ebutaja Hana put block. Gundoka Hana Rifo. Kelifa Hana look. Ngor-Okpala. Now, because of this man and because of Zion, and we go 20 additional or 30 additional people working with this man. Indirect employment. Now, 20 people or 30 people are feeding their family comfortably now because Zion they are Ngor-Okpala. And this man, weje gota machine nabo. Could be another 2 people from Ngor-Okpala who don't have job. Kahawe water higher purchase. How much machine will get or empower go 2 additional people. Before you know it, but before you know it, na his own share alone, and we go close to 50 people benefiting from him. Because mmadu ko na ego aja oji akpo block, mmadu ko na ego cement oji akpo block, mmadu ko na ego mmiri. Let's say that na borehole there ba ona agbara mmiri. You want to go, but there are other materials that only needed for him to operate. Mmadu ko na ego. machine ahụ ogotalụ ndị mmadụ ka o birie mmadụ ka ya ada agba fuel mmadụ ka ya ada agba oil mekanik ya ada alụ ya you dey feel me mekanik ya ada alụ ya so calculate it into how many engineers, how many surveyors, how many laborers, how many, oh my God. Mbake factory show ka alụ ebe a ọ Dangote refinery ke factory dey fa show ka alụ ebe a ọ Dangote refinery because all the only establishment in the iji wee compare what is happening there na Zion. Ngor-Okpala will come and see. Or supposed to be so na 7 wonders of the world. I just say make I clear you. We will update me with our it's me with our better update. Nde weho ye me chakwelu jena Ngor-Okpala ka ife na emeke da mmadụ ejugo a na-eri ife shop niile na-ele ndị ọkada na-agba a na-eri nya obodo na-agba zụgụzụgụ obodo ma na mmadụ batara a na-ebugharị ego ebe niile na-agbagharị transfer ndị POS nọrụ n'ọrụ a na-eme exchange a na-eme ife niile ị nọ na-aka akụkọ ị nọ na-akọfusi akụkọ asani ndị ji n'ofu Ngor-Okpala ị nọrụ na-ekwugheri ị na-acha ana jelu chikọcha daa ana ndị nwere enwe wee chọba ana ndị ọzọ if not because na Evangelist Ebuka Obi gbadatara ebe a o nwere ife ji a na-emepụ o nwere ife unu ji a na-eme nwere ife unu ji a na-eme n'oje gbọ mmadụ akwụkwọ maka ana a na-ele 70,000 ọ haala ahụ ife na-awe nke nwa ji gba akwụkwọ ana m ajụ ajụjụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi bịa ti value na anabụ unu chọọ ka unu gbusisiwe onwe unu maka ana unu chọọ ka unu n'ụwa ọgụ nya ana nwee value bụ ana wee sozieri n'ife eji anụ ọgụ eji agba mgba na anụrụ m na-anwa ntụkwana more network na you can now stream from anywhere around that place which is something I did maybe before. No need to cool down. No need to cool down. Do you know that this thing Ngor-Okpala is enough for people see from our back? People now operating at Port Harcourt, people now operating nowhere to come and buy land now in Ngor-Okpala. Luno, what the family had there, see about an age afia, see about an age all. Emanahaye Mengwe. Do you know? Now somebody can easily go and buy land there now. Luno, what the family in Ngor-Okpala. Before you know it, in Ngor-Okpala, Anna Ngor-Okpala in the next 5 years, TM will say, nah, say, yeah, say, nah, say. That land has been there since and nobody knows about it. Exactly. Ndị ekwensu ji arụ ọrụ ọka ha ọdụngo. Ekwensu na-apụtakwanu in human form wee bịa na-alụ ọrụ. Maka Chineke mezie okwu aka abalị amara anyị.